Hi guys, it's Alessandra, and today I'm going to be making a punch that is perfect for New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and really any party you would like to serve it at. For our first ingredient, I'm using cranberry juice cocktail, but you could use regular full-strength cranberry juice if you like to go hardcore. I am now adding some ginger-flavored seltzer water, but you could also use ginger beer or ginger ale, depending on what flavors you like. Just gonna pour that in there. And the cranberry juice cocktail I used was sweetened with fruit juice, but like I said, you could use 100% cranberry juice, or you could even just use one that's sweetened with sugar. And there's my friend Julie delivering presents, so nice of her. And now I am adding an orange push pop. I used to put sherbet in this, but I no longer participate in the consumption of animal products, as you guys know by my channel name. Also, it would make the punch get these weird dots in it, so yeah, don't use sherbet. If you can't find a push pop, you could use frozen orange juice concentrate, always delicious. Just an orange ice pop, any brand. Orange sorbet is another great option if you can't find the push pop. And of course, an Italian ice. Just make sure there's no egg whites. And just putting another in for good measure. I'm also going to be adding the other half of the cranberry juice pretty soon. It just mixes better when you don't add it all at once. Everyone is going to love this recipe. Have a safe and happy New Year, or whatever occasion you are choosing to make this punch for. Love you guys, and thank you for watching.